Hello, I'm Gauri. In this video, we shall see what is plant layout, what are different types of plant layout. Let's begin. Plant layout is an arrangement of equipment and utilities in a plant, keeping in mind some objectives. The plant layout decides how the raw material will move. It also decides movement of employees during the production. A good plant layout is designed considering some objectives. Safety. The layout must be safe. Flammable materials must be properly stored and handled. There should be provision for escape routes. Space. There should be utilization of space. Effective utilization of floor space is desired. Maintenance. A plant layout should be designed considering the maintenance. Network of pipelines must be properly arranged. Pipe supports and pipe racks must be placed perfectly. The movement of employee from one place to another in a plant must be considered. The layout must be designed to improve performance of employee. Utilities. Location for boilers, heat exchangers, treatment plants, etc. must be chosen properly. Hazards. All the hazards related to process should be minimized by the layout. The cascading effect of fires should be taken into account. Effect of breakdown of equipment should be considered. Process. The layout must be designed based on a process. Movement of raw material. The path taken by material inside plant will decide operating cost and time. This is one of the important factors which influences plant layout. Provision for expansion. A poorly designed plant layout could lead to bottlenecking problems. As far as possible, there should be a provision for future expansion. Control. Plant layout must make it possible to control the process and utilities easily. Cost. The production of desired product at an optimum cost is achieved by a well-designed plant layout. There are four main types of plant layout: line layout, group layout, hybrid layout, or fixed position layout. In case of line layout, raw material flows as per the sequence in a flow diagram. In the production line, all equipments are arranged according to the process. It is said that line layout reduces the time taken during production. In this layout, material moves from one equipment to other, as in the flow diagram. Major limitation of this layout is that it cannot offer flexibility. Another disadvantage is that Failure of one equipment in the line of production will lead to shutdown of the complete line. In case of group layout or functional layout, equipments are arranged according to the function. So, equipment with similar function are grouped and arranged at one place. Raw material is moved from one group to other. This can offer flexibility. In case of failure of one equipment, there is another equipment in the group to perform the operation. The major limitation of this layout is related to material handling. In some industries, fixed position layout is used. In fixed position layout, material, accessories, parts, employee move to a fixed location and major component is kept at this fixed position. In this way, the product is prepared. Hybrid layout. Hybrid layout is a combination of line and functional layout. That's all for this video. I found these resources useful for preparing the video. Thanks for watching.